Kerala High Court has now stayed the arrest of suspended Congress MLA Rahul Mamkuta Thil, who has been absconding following alleged sexual harassment allegations against him. Now, the bench of Justice K. Babu considered his anticipatory bail plea and decided that detailed arguments must be heard first in the case. The petition now will be taken up again on 15th of this month. Now, Rahul approached the High Court yesterday after Thiruvananthapuram Principal Sessions Court rejected his anticipatory bail plea application. Meanwhile, the MLA continues to remain absconding for the 10th consecutive day in this case. So that's the latest we're getting in as far as the sexual allegation case goes against Rahul Mamkuta Thil. In the latest that we know, Kerala High Court has now stayed his arrest. Remember, he's been absconding for 10 days now. In this case, the bench of Justice K. Babu considered his anticipatory bail plea and then decided that the detailed arguments must be heard first. This petition will now be taken up on 15th of December next. Remember, Rahul had in fact approached the High Court just yesterday after Thiruvananthapuram Principal Session Court rejected his anticipatory bail application. In this case, where he is facing allegations of sexual assault as well as a rape, he still remains absconding for the 10th consecutive day now. Next hearing will be on 15th of this month. But the latest is the fact that Kerala High Court has now stayed his arrest. Now, in this case, the bench of Justice K. Babu considered his anticipatory bail plea and then decided that detailed arguments must be heard first. The petition now will be taken up on the 15th of December. This comes after Rahul approached the High Court yesterday, given that Thiruvananthapuram Principal Session Court had rejected his bail plea application. Now, amid all this, the MLA continues to remain absconding for the 10th consecutive day. In fact, Congress expelled the rape-accused Rahul Mamkuta Thil. And this comes the latest. Kerala High Court has now stayed his arrest. Remember, he has been absconding for 10 days now, ever since these allegations came to light. Next hearing in this case will now be on 15th of December. Earlier, the Sessions Court had denied his bail plea, but this time Kerala High Court has stayed his arrest, acknowledging his anticipatory bail plea. And now some new developments coming in from Murshidabad. Suspended TMC MLA Humayun Kabir has now stepped out of his residence this morning, saying that he is going ahead with laying the foundation stone of a Babri Masjid. He claims police support and says security arrangements are in place. Let's listen in to what he said, in fact, a short while ago.
सब कुछ ठीक है, रुकिए, 12 बजने दीजिए। 12 बजेगी तो यहाँ कुरान तिलावत शुरू होगी, कुरान तिलावत खत्म होगी, कुरान खत्म जो कंप्लीट होगी उसी टाइम शिलान्यास लीम रखा गया। सब कुछ कोऑपरेशन मिल रहा है अभी। मुर्शिदाबाद का पुलिस, स्टेट पुलिस सारे मेरे को सपोर्ट दे रहा है, मेरे को सहयोगिता कर रहा है। ये मेरे अनेक धन्यवाद जना रहा है।
Now, viewers, earlier Kabir said that the ceremony will be held under constitutional rights and it could draw lakhs of supporters. In fact, he has put 2,000 volunteers on duty to ensure, quote-unquote, no inconvenience to any community. He's even teased a surprise at the event. Now this comes amidst objection coming in from Raj Bhavan. Governor C.V. Anand Bose flagged the law and order risks, but Kabir hit back, calling the fears baseless and politically coloured. Now the administration at this point has not granted any permission and a review is still underway. Kabir, however, has warned that if stopped, highways from Reji Nagar to Behrampur will be blocked. So there's a warning, in fact, coming in from Humayun Kabir. Posters of the proposed Babri Masjid Shilanyas have already sparked tensions. Some have toned down, in fact, as police sources call the symbolism high risk, especially ahead of the elections in the state. Now, viewers, Kabir, a serial party switcher, has been drifting away from TMC lines for months now, even hinting at forming his own political outfit. His choice of December 6th, which happens to be the anniversary of the 1992 Babri demolition, is now being seen as a strong political signal. TMC leaders have distanced themselves from this event, and the BJP, meanwhile, has accused the ruling party of allowing Kabir to fuel polarization in the state. Meanwhile, CPM has also mocked what it calls Bengal's revolving door politics.
Our view regarding all the religious issues is that no religious issue should be made a political battle. And as far as the Babri Masjid is concerned and the way in which an ex-MLA of Trinamool has raised this issue in West Bengal is completely uncalled for. And if anyone wants to make any place of worship, then he or she must take the permission of the state authority according to the law of the land. And especially the Babri Masjid issue is always a very sensitive issue. So this issue should not be raised at the political level, and there is no need of raising such issues.
मेरे ख्याल से बिल्कुल गलत है। इस तरीके का बयान फिर से मुल्क को तोड़ने की एक साजिश है और इनके पीछे कोई सियासी लोग हैं जो अपने इनको मोहरे के तौर पर इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। मंदिर और मस्जिद के नाम पर बहुत झगड़ा हो चुका है, माओ की गोदियाँ उजल चुकी हैं, औरतों के सुहाग लुट चुके हैं। लिहाजा मस्जिद का नाम अगर रखना ही है तो अल्लाह के नाम पर, रसूल के नाम पर, इमामों के अहले बैत अलैहिस्सलाम के नाम पर रखें, न कि बाबर, अकबर, औरंगज़ेब जिन्होंने इस मुल्क को लूटा है और नुकसान पहुंचाया है उनके नाम पर। क्योंकि मंदिर, मस्जिद, गुरुद्वारा, इमाम बाड़ा, चर्च, सिनेगॉग, यहाँ आदमी मन की शांति के लिए जाता है। अगर से इसी को पॉलिटिक्स में इन्वॉल्व किया जाए तो मेरे ख्याल से ये बिल्कुल गलत। देखिए, बाबरी मस्जिद को लेकर उनकी चीप पब्लिसिटी होगी और लोग उनको जानेंगे। आज सवाल आप इसीलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने बाबरी मस्जिद नाम रखा है। बाबरी मस्जिद ना रख के अल्लाह, रसूल, इमाम के नाम पर रखते तो आज उनकी कोई पब्लिसिटी ना होती। सिर्फ उनकी चीप पब्लिसिटी इसीलिए हो रही है क्योंकि उन्होंने नाम बाबर के नाम पर रखा है। लिहाजा बाबर के नाम पर कोई भी मस्जिद किसी मुसलमान को बर्दाश्त नहीं है।